In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Slack account. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you want to log out of your Slack account, it is pretty simple. Just head over to your profile picture that is down here and then click on it. Once you click on it, now you should see this option, sign out of your Slack account, and you'll see your Slack account name here. So to sign out of this workspace, go ahead and click on sign out and you will be signed out immediately. And as you can see, I've been signed out. So that's how you can sign out, or you can log out of your Slack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.